How to make an Ethereum payment with MetaMask or ArConnect. As we all know, it typically costs more than $1 to make a simple Ethereum transaction, and even dozens of dollars when gas prices are rocketing due to network congestion. In this video, I will introduce how to make real-time and cheap, actually free, token payment with Everpay. To start, go to everpay.io and visit the homepage of Everpay. Then you need to connect your wallet. Click Connect at the top right corner. You can choose Ethereum or ArConnect. Here, I click Ethereum to connect my MetaMask wallet. As soon as the connection succeeds, you can deposit tokens to Everpay. Here, I select to deposit USDT. Enter the amount to be deposited and click Deposit. I need to wait for 6 blocks before the transaction is completed. Okay, the balance is updated. Now I can make a transfer with Everpay. Go to the transfer page, enter an Ethereum address in the receiver field and click Transfer. Confirm it. Now I need to sign the transfer with MetaMask. The transfer is real-time. I can check my transaction records here. Now let me switch to the receiver wallet to check the balance and transaction records in my account. Next, I will show you how Everpay interacts with ArConnect. Everpay is a dApp for both Ethereum and Arweave, so you can also connect Everpay with ArConnect to make a payment. Go back to the transfer page and select USDT from the asset drop-down list. Then enter an Arweave address in the receiver field. Notice that I've entered an Arweave address this time. Enter the amount and then make a transfer. Disconnect MetaMask. Click Connect again and select ArConnect. Then authorize your ArConnect account to log on to Everpay. This is the Arweave address I entered in the receiver field before. You can see the amount I just transferred in the USDT balance. Enter the receiver address and transfer amount. A pop-up window appears. Click Confirm. Then your transfer is signed by ArConnect, and your USDTs are transferred to the Ethereum address. You can view the previous transfers in your transaction records. In my transaction records, I can see 20 USDTs transferred in from an Ethereum account and 20 USDTs transferred out. Everpay considers both an Ethereum and Arweave address as first-class account, so you can enter any valid Ethereum or Arweave address in the receiver field, then you can make a transfer. Even if the address you use has no ETH or AR, it can still serve as a receiver or sender, but make sure it can sign a transaction with MetaMask or ArConnect. Now go to everpay.io. Enjoy free token payments with your friends.